Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can edit your AI by using Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video and also subscribe my channel Scale Up, and let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and you will see your AI pop-ups on the top. Simply click on that and then you will see your AI a chat box over here. So you have to do is click on the three lines on the top right corner and click on edit AI at the third option, and then you will comes in this section. You can simply change your AI name as well, or description as well, or like on this I want to show you how you can change your privacy in you want to share it with your friends or not, or like publicly or not. In this you will see over here audience. Click on that and then you will see who can see your AI. I want to change it for me, only me, so I want to click on that. And if you want to share with your friends, you can simply click on friends, or like you want to share it with publicly, you can simply click on public, and that's it. And click on save and it's gonna be done. As you can see, this AI is only for me. I'm not sharing with any other people or like friends. So that's it. That's how you can change your privacy in Messenger or AI. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.